Hey guys, Expert legit here. Scared prank failed. Cut. So I'm at whose house? You know whose house I'm at. Yeah. What? It's pretty sunny today actually. Yeah. Pretty late start to the vlog. Yeah. Enjoy. So guys, I'm gonna mow the lawn as you can see. Oh my god, it's so long. Wow, super long, super. And let's get lawn mowing. So you can see exactly, look at that. Oh, okay. Do not know what that was, but yeah. What a great day. I just cut my leg open. Well, I did, but... Hey! Alright, should I end it? I think I should. So guys, please like, subscribe, and see you later. Peace.